Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy foam pillow on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumers directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So here we can just come to the temu.com, and here in the search button we can directly search for the foam pillow. Okay. So here we can see the foam pillow. So foam pillow is basically a pillow to kept between into your legs, and it will give you a comfortable sleep. So here we can see it will cost you $8.29. So here we have pillow. So here we can see, so we can use under the legs, we can use like in the knees and in the back also. It relieves the pain. Okay, so you can see the review of the product and we can see the description. So basically it is easy to wash and a lightweight. It have a height of 14 centimeter, length 21, and a breadth of 17 centimeters. And we can see the other properties also. So TEMU gives you a free shipping and it gives you a shopping security. And to buy the product you have to click on add to cart button. After that, so then you can just follow the instruction to buy the product or to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a foam pillow on TEMU website, and I strongly suggest to download and install the TEMU app to save the money. Thank you for watching.